Black-owned businesses face a number of challenges, including gaining the proper exposure to reach a bigger audience. This Black History Month, one creator has an innovative way of getting the word out that can fit in the palm of your hands. Our Ken McCoy has more on how the author is making sure owners are seen in a positive light.
For one author, the idea to create a space for local Black businesses to be seen and heard came at a time where many in the community felt the most neglected.
Huntsville Black-owned businesses came to be in the middle of the pandemic, and during that time there was a lot of unrest. So we wanted to create a community for Black-owned businesses to come together and support each other.
Khadijah Mighty Nugent says for Black History Month, the organization wanted to celebrate these enterprises and the impact they've had on our economy, culture, and society by addressing the challenge of advertisement with a digital flipbook.
Typically, people are trying to find ways to find Black-owned businesses, and we have the directory, but we really wanted to focus attention on those Black businesses that have BHM sales, or they have an event that's coming up during Black History Month. So we said instead of printing out an actual magazine, a flipbook would be easier to get out there in the community.
As you flip through the pages, you'll meet people like Dr. Latoya Solomon with Your Best Health, who's redefining what it means to be a successful entrepreneur. Dr. Solomon's story is one of determination, community building, and passion.
So I started in Decatur for 8 years, and then I realized it was such a need here in my community of Madison to open my own practice here. And so I opened the practice here in April of 2024, along with my husband, Maurice Solomon. The community has been exceptionally receptive to us. We're at about 1,200 patients now.
But those years of experience have been met with some challenges. Black businesses often have to fight misconceptions.
Just having to, elicit everyone else's buy-in to realize that we are here, we are professional, we do want to help the community. And so it's a little bit of a challenge, but I like challenges, so it works for me.
And Dr. Solomon says facing those challenges head on is having a positive effect on the next generation.
I'm also a college professor, and so I would tell you there's a lot of students that I have that are graduating with that mindset because they've seen their mom do it or their grandmother do it or aunts or friends. And so back in the day, when I was coming up, I didn't know anyone that was an entrepreneur.
Nugent is hopeful that this book will help debunk any stereotypes about Black-owned businesses.
I would like to debunk the thought that we are not professional. Like you just spoke to Toya, and she is so professional, and her business is doing absolutely well because she conveys that professionalism in what she does. So I think that is one that really needs to debunk. We are professional in what we do, and we are good at what we do.
For a link to the digital flipbook, visit our website at fox54.com. In Huntsville, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.